Our first logical operator is logical AND. It gives true when all the conditions are true. If any single condition is false, it will give false result. So here equals to, and within bracket I'm giving my condition, value 1 should be greater than or equals to 20, comma, second condition should be greater than or equals to 20, and third, value 3 should be greater than equals to 20. If all the three conditions are true, then it will give true. If any single condition is false, it will give false result. It has given true. Here we got false result because value 1 condition is false. Second is logical OR. It is just reverse of logical AND. It gives true. It gives true only when any single condition is true. If all the conditions are false, in that case it will give false result. So equals to OR within bracket, this is greater than or equals to 20, comma, this is greater than or equals to 20, comma, this is greater than or equals to 20. If any single condition is true, it will give true. Here we can see, first drag and drop it. Here we can see the first condition is going to be false, even though it has given true because other conditions are true. Next we will see how can we use if and together. So this is our given table. This is roll number, subject 1, subject 2, subject 3 and result. What we have to do here is, if marks in all the subjects are greater than or equals to 50, then pass, otherwise fail. Here we are going to use both if and. Equals to if with bracket and again bracket, if subject 1 marks is greater than or equals to 50, comma, subject 2 marks is greater than or equals to 50, comma, subject 3 marks is greater than or equals to 50, bracket close, comma, pass, double quotes close, comma, again start double quotes, otherwise fail, double quotes close, bracket close, enter. Pass, fail, fail, pass. In this nested if, we are provided with two conditions, like salary lower than or equals to 50,000, we have to print section C. If salary greater than 50,000 and lower than 70,000, section B. Salary greater than 70,000 and less than 90,000, section A. And salary greater than or equal to 1 lakh, section should be top. For that, if condition will go like this, if within bracket, if salary is less than equals to 50,000, then we have to print section C, comma, again we will start if. Our second condition is salary greater than 50,000 and lower than 70,000, for that section B. Here and is there in between, so we have to put and here. Starting bracket, salary is greater than 50,000, comma, second condition is lower than 70,000. Again salary is lower than equals to 70,000. For that we have to give section B within double quotes, section B, double quotes close, comma, again we will start if, start bracket. Third condition is salary greater than 70,000 and less than 90,000, for that section A. Again and is there, start the bracket, if salary is greater than 70,000 and salary is less than equals to 90,000. For that we have to print section A, otherwise we have to print top. Close all the brackets, enter. Here we got section C.